HT100L inspection equipment used for inspection of soldering defects in PCB, SMT assembly, IC packaging, BGA, CSP, semiconductors, and other electronic components. High-resolution FPD can obtain high-quality images, and the minimum 2 defects can be detected. CNC-programmed automatic positioning detection, small open-angle 45 tilt detection, powerful software, real-time navigation, HDR image enhancement function to see defects more clearly. Measurement tools, such as BGA cavity ratio, provide a clearer understanding of the dimensions of individual components. The X-ray source has an automatic protection feature that adds a layer of protection for safer operation. HT100L test equipment uses steel plus lead plus steel protective structure to isolate radiation. In line with international safety radiation standards,